Hello friends, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub. How are you all? Today I came with a creative and eco-friendly activity, that is recycling the paper. Let's see what we need. Grind some used paper by adding water. Now the paper pulp is ready. Then take a sieve and dip in a pan which is half filled with water. Now add some paper pulp into the sieve and mix evenly in water. You can add more pulp according to the thickness of paper required. Then lift the sieve and allow the water to drain out. Separate the sieve net from the frame and cover it with butter paper. Press the butter paper with your hand and remove excess water. Now turn the butter paper downward and place on a table. Press the net evenly with the help of roller and soak excess water by using a cloth. Remove the net slowly. Keep the butter paper in the sunlight to dry. If you need color shaded papers, you can add food color or use waste color papers. Once you get dry recycled paper, iron it and cut the edges for better shape. Parents can also encourage their children to do so and teach them the responsibility towards environment. Let's do our part of saving environment in a creative way. Hope you liked the video. Friends, if you are watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye. See you soon.